Okay, problem number 23. Solve the compound inequality, graph the solution. The word compound just means more than one. Okay, so compound inequality, there's more than one thing here, so they're just saying do both of them. So, okay, we'll do both of them. So s plus 3 is greater than 4. So first we need to get s by itself, so we need to move this 3 over here. The opposite of adding 3 would be to subtract 3. So s, these cancel out, is greater than 4 minus 3 is 1. And now let's do the same thing over on this side. So this is, if we want to get s by itself, this is negative 3 times x. The opposite of to times is to divide. So if we want to move the negative 3, we will divide by negative 3. So divide by negative 3, divide by negative 3. All right, so the only thing left over here is s. And now we need to talk about that rule. When I say that rule, I mean that anytime when you have inequalities, so symbols that look anything like this, anytime you're dealing with inequalities, if you times or divide by a negative number, you have to switch this inequality around. Because we just divided by a negative, we have to do that. So instead of the arrow going this way, it's going to go that way. And now let's figure out what goes over here. So negative 12 divided by negative 3. A negative divided by a negative is a positive, so 12 divided by 3 would be 4, positive 4. So s is less than 4, or equal to 4, and s is greater than 1. Okay, so is it A, B, C, or D? We know s has to be less than or equal to 4. So in this one, s is greater than or equal to 4. A is out. It's not going to be A. All right. This is s is less than or equal to 4, and this is just s is less than 4. They didn't put the or equal to sign in there. So B can't be right. All right. In part C, we see s is less than or equal to 4. And again, we have s is less than or equal to 4. I mean, there's a lot more going on. So I don't know that C is perfectly right, but at least this part is right. So I'm going to say that this might be the answer. Let's go down to part D. S is less than or equal to 4. And then here we have s is greater than 4. So that one's out as well. Well, I never really even looked at this, but I mean, there's nothing else it can be except for C. It's the only one that has s is less than or equal to 4. So I have enough to be confident that the answer has to be C. So for number 23, I'm going to choose that one. Very good. Thanks for going along with me.